We just got to the Grand Hyatt Hotel in Kauai and it is beautiful. I think we are going to go to the beach and to the pool.
Kayla, no, that's not a pool. That's not the right pool. Wrong pool, babe.
Village, and we are going to go kayaking to a secret river and
I think a waterfall.
I think that was secret river is the waterfall.
Burning star across the sky. When you're losing every fight, just can't get it right, you know. I'll be there when the gold starts to rust, and I'm scraping for the dust. And when I start losing touch, all but giving up, I know you'll be there. And when your heart is on the wire, and if we start to...
Okay, we made it to the waterfall. This took way longer than we expected. I'm muddy, head to toe. Kayla's muddy. Make sure you have proper footwear when you do this. But on the bright side, we finally made it.
Could we find it somewhere? Could we find it somewhere tonight? And I keep running till we run out of air. And keep running till we run out of air. Out of air. Out of air. Keep running till we run out of air.
Just got 2 miles deep to our hike like we said we were gonna do, and it's led us to a pretty cool beach. So we were gonna do the waterfall. I saw this really cool photo of it on Google Images until I realized that photo was from Norway, not Hawaii, and it was a different place. So
I think we're gonna stick to our 2-mile marker because we had to pause because of all of the rain, and obviously we have camera gear, so Darik was just hiding under a tree for a while, and now we're in a cave. So,
but the cave strangely feels like home. So here's, you think we should do the 11-mile next time?
sure. Next time in the far future.
Oh God.
I left my sunglasses
Where?
in the cave.
In this cave.
Yeah.
All the way?
All the way.